No, sir. Look pon the time and you still and lay down in your bed. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Get your big lazy ass up. You just nasty and lazy. Come in like say I work a harder job than army. How what you do for your living? Nothing. Just roll up me like bill and just a yam. That's all you do. Pick up a broom, do something with your life, do something. Wait there. You breathe? No. Let me find out say you breathe. Get up, man. Do something. Do not raise the nasty girl, you know. If you have ambition, don't forget up around 7 o'clock in the morning. School or not. Do something. Be productive. No, sir. Couldn't be me. Me not grow, sir. I mean, I grow, you're so nice. No, there's nothing in my house. They plate them now wash. Bathroom just go on. You don't feel lazy.
Why you wanna come to my funeral? Come at my funeral, what have I done to you? Why you wanna treat me like a criminal? I'm not a criminal, what have I done to you? Why you wanna come to my funeral?